Okay, welcome back, hard forkers. This is our update to 1 Bitcoin and 32 Ethereum, which launched 2 days ago. If you haven't seen that, there's a link below. It's the previous video. I've made a trade. We're going to find out if the other two guys have also made a trade. Exciting stuff. Welcome back, boys. How are you guys?
Excellent.
Really?
Oh, yeah. A little bit of bloodbath. Good buying opportunities. Watch everybody freak out. Whoa.
Well, there's been a lot of wrecked. Let's have a look. It's Friday. Not trading advice, by the way. There you go. I can't even get the day of the week correct. Right. Thoughts on what just went down, guys? Some of these projects are down.
Everything went down. What went down? The entire market.
Why, Stefano?
If I knew, I would have put everything on stable before it happened.
Okay, Stefano doesn't have a clue. I think it's because we're still correlated to the major markets, the S&P, NASDAQ, etc. Everything took a nosedive, and I think crypto just followed at a magnitude, basically. Anyone disagree with that line of thinking?
I guess, yeah.
You disagree. Good. We always disagree. You just disagreed because it's me saying it, basically.
Well, I mean, it coincided.
You'll get used to that, viewers, as the series goes on. That's a good thing.
Yeah.
Go on, Jordan. What happened?
It seemed like a convenient time, though, too, because, all these crazy DeFi coins are getting listed on Binance and Huobi and OKEx, boom, boom, boom. They're out for 2 weeks and they're listing them. Right. I'm like, what? There's questions about the security audits on Sushi. Binance, sure, put it up there, no problem. It's what? Wi-Fi, 50x leverage, right? That one actually didn't take a dump, but it was just everything got listed at the same time, and then all of a sudden everything just kind of.
Yeah. Well,
when you watch them in real time, you see them all go down at the exact same time. It's how is that possible? When you watch a 5-minute chart, it's
Right. Nearly 10% of total market cap gone. That's a pretty big figure. Anyone that did watch our opening episode, we did basically begin by saying we felt that things were sort of teetering on the point of a small pop. Was basically the consensus, and yeah, I guess that's what happened. So, I mean, look, guys, on that note, it's opened up great opportunities for a first trade in many respects, I think. First trades where we're using 1 Ethereum of our own investments. I went with XDAI. What do you guys think of that move?
It's all right.
I don't know much about it, actually. I saw a cool video. I haven't looked at it too closely yet. I haven't had a chance.
XDAI is basically the layer 2.
Yeah,
it's one of the layer 2s. So what you do with XDAI is basically you put DAI into a contract, you wrap it up, and then it's a new token that you get from the layer 2 of the POA network.
And fantastic. So far, I'm down 2.9.
Look at that 30-day up 650%.
Nobody likes that sort of humor, Jordan. Anyway, this is my very first trade of this competition. It's XDAI.
You're not down 30%, are you?
No. I've just made this trade. This is why we're doing this show.
Down only 28.
Well, obviously that was part of my thinking. The fact that a very good project, in my opinion, has taken nearly a 30% hit, factored into a potential short-term trade and gain for me. I obviously really like this project. It's layer 2. The biggest talking point or biggest issue in all of the space at the moment is, does Ethereum scale? I already hold Loopring in a private account, not part of the show, but I'm looking closely at these layer 2 technologies. Stefano, I know your company uses Ethereum. We've been talking about the issues there. We've discussed XDAI at length. We'll cover, I think, it in more detail on the Wednesday show. So make sure you tune in for that, people. Stefano, have you made any moves? Or are you still contemplating where to?
I am just waiting.
Just waiting.
Yeah, for a couple of reasons. So till yesterday, the gas price was higher than 400 way, which means that with 1 ETH you're basically losing 10% in gas fees for one trade, and then another 10% on basically exiting a position. It was impossible for me to actually like feel confident of enter any possible position. This dip is good because we're now like below 300 in weight price. I can't believe that I just say that it's a good thing having 300 weight.
Very good. Make sure you're back here Wednesday, people, to find out what Stefano has in fact done. I'm sure it'll be very interesting. So Gonzo, should we have a look at what you've done with the projects we covered?
Some co-vesting going on, right?
Yes, actually, I didn't mention that. I'm yet to make
it.
my move on the Prime XBT platform. Stefano, have you? I know you've signed up and you're on there. Have you made a move yet?
No,
Just sitting in Bitcoin?
Not at all.
So you guys see, I got 3 investments here.
Yep.
One's down 58, one's up 42, and the other one's 5.
Okay.
So all in all, this is my experience with copy trading. You never go all in with anybody. So I split it up between 3 different traders that looked okay. I went by the ratings, and I kind of went and looked at the app, like the length of the program.
Yep.
Found someone with a nice long amount of time and their total profit. Looked at the chart, no crazy like up and down spikes and stuff, right? Because that means they trade really risky if you're getting those spikes, right? So you want nice slow curves, I was thinking. And then if there's other investors in there, that's a good indication too. But I don't know, all in all with this, I feel like there's not enough information to make a good decision. You can't see the open trades, or you can't, like, it's very limited. You just kind of see their strategy, but it doesn't show you how they're doing it, right? So like, if I'm down, I'm like, oh my God, is this a realized loss, or is this like an open position that'll go up, right? So,
Well, I think we shot off a message to the co-vesting crowd to actually, it'd be great to have them on the show and have a bit of a chat about the platform.
Yeah, for sure.
So anyone out there, get in touch. Shall we have a look at the 3 projects that we covered in episode 1?
Yep. So
PAM, Bonk, and
here's my wallet.
DMV.
So I made a trade. My first trade, I bought some Chainlink.
Of course you did.
Of course you did.
Yes.
But I did it a while ago when we.
Gordon's a paid shill for Chainlink. He won't admit it, but I strongly suspect.
Well, just wait.
You're not denying it. There we go. Chainlink paying you?
Yeah, by profits.
We have to disclose everything on this show?
Yeah, they're paying me in profits.
Okay.
So I also
Hey, Chainlink people, you should pay Jordan. That's all he talks about. What have you done here? You bought some Chainlink. Did you buy that with your Ethereum, or did you sell one of the other projects?
I used my Ethereum, yeah. Okay. So I bought 20 Chainlink for 0.75.
Just to recap for the audience, basically we cover 2 to 3 projects each week. They make a small donation, the equivalent of roughly an Ethereum, which we split between us. We either buy more, sell it, or hold that position. But we've also come in with an Ethereum of our own private funds, which is what Jordan has used to make his trade to Chainlink here. I used mine to buy XDAI. Stefano probably bought a bottle of wine, I think. It's only 2 days into it, so and the entire market has crashed.
So I also bought some more PAMP.
You bought some more PAMP?
Another 100, yeah. Wow. So my total PAMP is 300. That was my big moves that I made. Okay. So we can look here at the DMG chart. This is a 4-hour chart. So we're kind of still trending downwards. That big dip today didn't help.
Yeah.
So it's a good entry if you want to buy more. Probably not so good if you're holding. So this is PAMP. Since a second, it's gone up a bit, and then it's dumped with everything else. So the second. Oh yeah, I bought in this trough right here just before this dump.
Aren't you a smart cookie? But that was before the show started, Jordan.
I mean, when I see this pattern, it's like usually an indication of it's going up. When you see this like big dump, and then it instantly recovers, and then it kind of goes flat for a while, right? And then I kind of there's these 3 candles where it started going up, and that's when I jumped in.
Okay. Now, just for the audience, this isn't a technical analysis show. It's primarily fundamental analysis. So let's move on.
Bonk. On the second, it's kind of just ranging. It looks like right now it's not doing too much. But with Bonk, I want to stake it. The website, bonktoken.com. I got We all got 693. I'm going to stake 600. So go to the website, stake it, baby.
So you're basically gonna stake $80 and pay 40 in gas fees.
Yeah, I'm not staking all of it. I'm going to leave 90. I think
Hang on a minute. Do you seriously just do that?
I'm going to do it right now.
You're paying half the amount of what you're putting in.
Yeah, I'm joking. It's probably gonna pay like a
This-
fifth of what he's actually staking.
Still, that's insane.
Let's see
Fair
what
enough.
gas is right now. Gas right now is 259. Not bad. Save 6 guai. It says. What do you think about that, Stefano?
That is gonna like give a loop of a error. It's not gonna go through, unfortunately.
Right? 27 cents. 21 minutes, it says. Should I try it?
You can. I mean, it's better than having to pay
right?
like $12 on normal.
Here, well, I just staked my bonk.
Once
So-
again, people, not financial advice. Sorry, Steph.
Hold on. So I tried to do a bunch of other stuff with DMG, but I couldn't. Like,
Right.
You can buy crypto, but you can't swap it on their market, right? Their DAO DeFi, right?
Mm-hmm.
The swap, you can swap here, but I was trying to use the earn of the farm. Those aren't working yet.
No, they're gonna like launch that like in the next few months, basically.
So that's why I ended up at the balancer pool.
Okay.
So, and then that was too expensive, and then I was thinking the Saprify would be cheaper, but not much. I'll do another video because I want to pool some other stuff, and I'll show you guys.
Okay. Yeah, you're making some good stuff there. So, look, anyone watching, please comment what you're unsure of and what you would like to see from us. We'll do our best to oblige.
PAMP, you don't need to stake it. It automatically stakes for you, right? So you guys will have stakes also for PAMP. But the thing with PAMP is it costs you money to claim the rewards. Okay. So yesterday the price was down, so there's no rewards, right? But the day before there was a positive day, and I made 0.072 PAMP on my 300 stake for 5 days. The next reward is 0 because today's price is down, right?
Yep.
So when I get enough rewards and the gas is right, I'll claim my rewards, but you gotta wait. This is kind of cool. You can check your stake, like how long, how many days, tell you how much you can make on it. Yeah, so I did try to do something with all 3 of the tokens so we could see, the potential. Staking with PAMP, which is automatic. Staking with Bonk, which costs like $10. I'm on the team, my first crypto team, Sir Johnny, motion graphics and design. So I did another little job for them. Unilayer, which is another layer 2 solution, right? It's another uniswap trading platform with no fees. So they're teamed up. So I did this little graphic, this little, these icebreaker guys, they have mallets. So that's the theme for Bonk, mallets. I made some more Bonk tokens. So in my other account, I've staked those. So right now for me, Bonk is like total accumulation. It's still under 1 million market cap, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
Bone shilling.
I'm just saying, man, if you want to make bigger
No,
returns,
I like
you
that
got to
project.
get in at lower market caps.
I haven't sold my bonk.
No,
I
that's
haven't
good, man.
sold my bonk.
If you have enough ETH, man, stake it. Stake it, baby.
Okay, very good. Obviously, it's been a wild 48 hours. We launched the show on Wednesday. The market tanked pretty much about an hour later.
It's good. It's good.
That's crypto, baby. You want in, you got to play the game.
Absolutely. So, look, we've
Part of the game.
obviously got quite different investment and trading styles. So, I think you'll learn a lot from following the show. Okay, short and sweet. We'll be back on Wednesday. We've got some really interesting projects coming up to review in episode 2 for you. Obviously, we'll have more of a look at the projects from episode 1. Episode 2, we've got a new DeFi project that is just about to launch actually next week. And we've got a privacy coin. It's going to be interesting to talk with them. And yeah, a couple of others. So make sure you're back here.
The cure for the web.
Cure for the web. All right. True.
Right.
Yeah, some interesting characters, some interesting projects. And good luck out there, people. Obviously, it's been a pretty wild 24 hours. Keep you cool. See you Wednesday.
Hey, guys.